LibreOffice is often hailed as the go-to free alternative to Microsoft Office, but does it really hold up under scrutiny? If you're looking for a reliable Office suite without breaking the bank, let's dig into what LibreOffice has to offer and where it might fall short. LibreOffice is a free open source Office suite that includes a word processor, spreadsheet application, presentation software, and more. It's designed for anyone from students to professionals who need powerful tools without the hefty price tag. Right off the bat, the interface feels familiar, especially if you've used traditional Office software before. The layout is straightforward, which is a plus for users transitioning from Microsoft Office. One standout feature is the compatibility with various document formats, including Microsoft's own. This can be a lifesaver if you frequently collaborate with others who use different software. However, some users might find that certain advanced features from Microsoft Office don't translate perfectly, leading to formatting quirks. While the core functionality is solid, the user experience can feel a bit clunky at times. For example, navigating menus can be less intuitive compared to more modern interfaces. Overall, while LibreOffice has a lot to offer, there are areas where it could benefit from a little more polish. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, LibreOffice is completely free and offers a robust set of tools that cover most Office needs. It's great for budget-conscious users and those who prefer open-source software, plus its compatibility with various file formats is a significant advantage. However, there are some drawbacks. The user interface can feel outdated, and the learning curve may be steep for those used to more modern Office suites. Additionally, while it's generally stable, some users report occasional bugs or crashes, especially with larger files. If you rely heavily on advanced features like cloud integration or real-time collaboration, you might find LibreOffice lacking in those areas. Overall, it's best suited for casual users or small businesses that don't require the full suite of capabilities that a paid option might offer. In conclusion, LibreOffice is a strong contender for anyone seeking a free Office suite, especially if you're looking for something that covers the basics well. However, if you need advanced features or a more polished user experience, you might want to explore other options. For those on a budget though, it's definitely worth giving LibreOffice a try.